Konkan Railway has decided to operate a mega block for maintenance of assets in Madgaon Kunta section on 16 November 2023, that is for 3 hours from 12 to 15 hours. Several trains have been regulated and rescheduled. There is one more block on 17 November 2023 from 9:30 am to 12 pm, that is between Rajapur Road and Sintur section. As per Madgaon Kumta section, train number 06602 Mangaluru Central Madgaon Junction. The journey commences on 16 November 2023. It will be short terminated at Kumta section and partially cancelled between Kumta Madgaon section. Train number 06601 Madgaon Junction Mangaluru Central special journey. Journey commences on 16 November. It will be short originated from Kumta station and will be partially cancelled between Madgaon Kumta section. And between Rajapur Road and Sindhudurg section, the following trains will be rescheduled. Train number 50108 Madgaon Junction Sawantwadi Road passenger. The journey commences on 17 November and it is rescheduled to 7:30 hours ex Madgaon Junction, that is it will be almost 80 minutes late. Train number 10106 Sawantwadi Road Diva Express journey. The train journey commences on 17 November 2023. It is rescheduled to 10:45 hours. It is almost 125 minutes late. Passengers are requested to kindly note the same. Inconveniences caused are deeply regretted.